Hello everyone and welcome to Forex Trading Made Easy. I'm George Smith. Just to give you a little background, I've been getting a number of requests from the traders that I work with to do some scalping. So that's what I'm going to try to do on my next few videos. Here's a trade I made last night. I didn't record it, but in a minute I'm going to show you how I did it. They're all going to be the same. When I got up this morning, the first thing I looked at was my Oscar indicator found on the indicator package. You can see how Oscar had made a bottom, and that told me I should probably be buying today. So I started placing buy orders 5 pips apart, each with a 12 pip stop. I then went to my AVG log found on the indicator package. I saw the target was 36.59 and the upswings were fairly wide. That's why I decided that I could probably get 8 pips on each of my trades. So here are my trades again. Each one will have a target of 8 pips, and if prices keep moving in my favor, I'll just keep putting new trades on. Now let me show you what all these lines mean. The first one here is my stop out line for the first trade. Right here is the actual entry point of the trade. Here's a new trade 5 pips later. Here's where I get out of my first trade. And here's a new trade right here. This is the target as I showed you before. And that's at 36.59. So I wouldn't want to put on any more trades as prices approach that level. Here's my second order getting filled, and here's my first order closing out. Here's my third order getting filled. You can see by doing this I'm never exposed to a large loss that could hurt me. I'm using 40% of my capital on each of these trades, so you can see I'll never get a margin call. What you have to be careful about is tightening up your stops at the first sign of any weakness. Right here I've moved my stop up to the break-even point. Now that everything's closed out, let's try it in the opposite direction. Here's our Oscar log again, showing us that prices have probably reached a high point. And here's our AVG log, showing our downside target at 36.25. We get that by subtracting the previous down average from the last high. So here we go again, doing exactly the same thing, only in the opposite direction. See if you can follow along what I'm doing. Now that I've been filled on my second position, I've combined my stops. Unfortunately, I didn't have my video running since I had to go out, but I moved my stop down and here were my results for the day. 6 8-pip trades, one that broke even, for a net total of 48 pips. That's all for now. I'm George Smith. Thanks for watching.